His mating display reveals those elegant feathers in all their glory. In the 19th century, the desire for ostrich plumes in London and Paris forced them to the prices of diamonds and gold and fueled an industry of power, greed, and glamour. Today, they just make the ostrich king irresistible. The female finally accepts him. Most male birds don't have a penis. Both females and males in all species of birds just have one opening called a cloaca, used for expelling waste, laying eggs, and for sex. Ostriches are a little different. The male has a sort of penis that becomes enlarged with lymph fluid. Over the next few weeks, his dancing display becomes a daily event, and he'll mate with many of the hens drawn to see his feathered finery for themselves.